So I created a new superhero and named it Eaglehead. And by its name, you may think it looks like this, but it actually looks more like this. You definitely must have heard of Hawkgirl before.
That's right! I'm an angel!
But you may never have heard of anything like an Eaglehead girl, only because it never existed. Until now. So in this video, I'll show you how I created this eagle chick, but wait till the end to see for yourself if it turns out to be the superhero of the Marvel and DC kind. Yes! So let's begin.
Let the games begin.
So while walking on the street the other day, a bird pooped on my head, which made me feel more connected to the bird community. So to honor them, I created their queen, who might protect them beside fighting crime probably. Kinda like Poison Ivy protects the plants beside making love to Harley Quinn, you know. So when talking about a queen, no other bird came to my mind beside the majestic bald eagle. So the eagle may be majestic, but it was a pain in my nose while putting its head on top of the human head. You'll see me struggle badly with it throughout the entire video. So the references I'm using here is not ideal. I would suggest always use references of actual people rather than the 3D models, cause it's more accurate. But I had a specific shape of the lip in mind which I wasn't able to find in any person on the internet. So I went to use these 3D models as references, which was done by some talented people around the planet. So for the hairs, my initial idea was to go with the Peggy Carter style, but it didn't appeal too good to my eyes, so I changed it. You know, it's okay to try and fail often if you're winning eventually. Painting the lips always takes like a ton of layers for it to look good, but I kinda enjoy the process. I don't think I'll ever be able to get the right tone with minimal layers. It will always be a battle between me and the cosmetics department. Sorry the firm. So I tried to give her a dark complexion which might have looked amazing with the contrasting color of the eagle, but I wasn't able to color the skin after the base layer, so I had to change it. But I'm gonna work on it though, because I wanna be ready when I'll sculpt something like Storm. Initially, I didn't plan about the wings, but it felt very incomplete without it. So I started to think about adding it, and I can say it was a good decision because it started to come along. That is the reason why it's better to plan or design your character before starting, because sometimes improvisation doesn't come along that great. And I realized this again while coloring the wings. So after compositing in Photoshop with all the maps and all the layers, this is the final output. I love how it turned out, but what do you guys think? Is it up there with those legendary characters? And even if she is, I hope someone would name it something better than the Eagle Head Girl. You all can give it a shot in the comments. Please name her better than me. I hope you all liked the video and my new superhero. So don't forget to like this and share it with your friends who you think would like it too. And please subscribe to my channel for more of such art videos. See you in the next one.